today on another episode of DIY. So a few minutes ago I realized that temperature of this car went high. It spiked up to this red line and it was showing engine is hot on this. So I quickly had to find a place to park and turn the car off. So I went to check the bonnet. So I had to check and I realized that the coolant here, the lever, I don't know if you can really see it here, it's low. So that's what was actually causing the heating. And when the engine was cold like a few minutes ago, I opened this cap to also confirm. Then before I did this, I also checked that the fan, check that the fan was working fine. As you can see, I don't know if this is clear enough, both fans are fine and working. So since this is a Honda Civic, I'm going to get a type 2 coolant. So I'm going to get it and fill it up. So I have a low coolant level in this car. So checking this, you see that it's totally dry, like it's dry. This is the reservoir, like reservoir is like completely dry. This is the hose that runs inside the reservoir. Inside this place is totally empty and dry. So since I'm not home, I'm not in my house where I have most of my tools like the funnel, so I have to cut an empty bottle to make like a funnel to be able to fill this up. So I'll be doing this now. This is the antifreeze I got, so I'm going to fill this up now. So, and don't forget, before you open this, as you can see on the lid, don't open when it's very hot or when it's hot. So you make sure your engine cools down before you open this, because it can splash into your face or your hand and it can cause damage to your body. So now let's fill this up. So I'm going to put some in this reservoir area, doing this, pouring it little by little. Now the reservoir is filled up. Make sure it's on the max level, then insert the hose back. Tighten it. So I'm done. This is full, that also is full. So cover this and should be fine. Thanks for watching.